Yo yo yo, white boy with you, just doing a DSR best class setup. So yeah, I've been trying this out and I've noticed an absolutely humongous difference in my quick scoping. But it's so much easier and yeah, it's a lot better. So what you want to do is get the DSR, is right, basically the quick scoping trick shot, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's probably best for that. Some people say that this does not matter, the ballistics CPU. Some people say that it doesn't make a difference to your quick scoping, but it clearly does. I've noticed a massive difference, so I'd advise you to put that on as well. So yeah, and then obviously laser sight, you can no scope easy because you've already got an aim there, and it helps you to quick scope as well because you can use the laser sight to get your aim before you perform your shot. So yeah, and just as a backup, I'd use the Cap 40 just simply because it's really quick. So when you run out of bullets with your sniper, you've got a quick gun to get the kill when you're in gunfight. So yeah, with extended clip, because the mag isn't that long and disappoints me sometimes, lose a few kills by having too short of a mag. So yeah, so perk 1 we want lightweight, just for getting to those sniping spots really quickly and getting the kills quickly before the others get there. And toughness, it just stops you from flinching if you're getting hit from all angles. It just stops you from flinching, so you might still have a chance of performing your shot. And dexterity, of course, for the quick scoping. It's just really easy to get up, and yeah, you can get your aim up quick, and yeah, it helps you with your quick scoping. Yeah, them two obviously don't matter to your sniping, but I'd advise you to get them too because they're just quite effective. So yeah, I've noticed a big difference in these when I started using this class setup. So hope you enjoyed it. That was White Boy Widge. Please like and subscribe and try this class setup out for me.